Today we're doing a 1 megabit DSL install with telephone. So the telephone originates from a remote CO. The dslam that provides the internet is a little bit closer to the house, but it does not provide telephone. So we wire at the remote, and then that back feeds into the dslam, which provides the DSL. And then our distribution pair connects at that dslam. I'll show you guys that. So right now I'm about to wire the dial tone. Somebody commented about a banana clip before. We're at the pole mounted dslam. This one actually has the terminal on the ground, which is really nasty. You guys are gonna like seeing that, but the banana clip here we'll use to check our port, make sure we get dial tone on. So yeah, this is what it is. It looks nasty and it is nasty. Nothing's really marked. The best way to do these is to have tone from the house so you know where your distribution pair is, and then you can put tone straight from the pole mount. That way you can find your right pair in here. Alright, so you find your distribution pair to the dslam based on the port number. So it will tell you if you're like port 23. So you go by the color code. 23 is going to be violet green. So you'll find what looks like distribution from the dslam. You can trace this, you know, from there down around, watch it come up into here. You'll find it here. Okay, so violet green right there. We got our tone.